Do you want to make millions of dollars? Do you want to have great relationships? Do you want to have the people in your life and business respect you, admire you, listen to you? If you do this one thing, you're going to be well on your way to all of that. You need to learn in your head to decouple understanding somebody and agreeing with them. You can understand somebody without agreeing with them. The next time you're in an argument, the next time you're working with a customer and they're not seeing things your way, let them know, I hear you, I understand. And if you don't understand their position, ask them questions. Help me understand why you'd say that. Just out of curiosity, why do you feel that way? The more that you understand their position, the easier it's going to be for you to negotiate and communicate with them. Just because you understand somebody doesn't mean you agree with them. When you can unlock those two, the sky's the limit for you. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how to be successful in business and life. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm going to walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're going to help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.